Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Zeizz VR1 Plus to work. And let's get it out real quick. It is this cool looking visor right here. And what you do is you slide out this piece here and this piece here. You want to turn it around and put your phone in it. Okay, so first thing you'll notice is the iPhone 5 is too small, and if you want to put it in here, you have to remove it from its case. So first of all, it won't work with the iPhone 5, as you'll see in a second. So because it's just too small. So what you want to do is you want to get something a little bit larger, like the iPhone 6. And in that case, what you'll get is two apps. One, you need a QR code reader, and then this Google Cardboard. Once you have those, you'll need to set it up, and it's going to ask you to turn on your camera, and you'll say, all right. Make sure you don't throw away the box that came with it, because this is the QR code right here on it. If you don't have that, you won't be able to use it. So once it's being read, you'll notice that it turns like this, and then you want to aim the camera on this side where there's the opening, and then slide it in like this, and then it will stay in place. And you want to match this line here with this little groove there, like so. Once you have that done, you will have to turn it like so and push it into the machine there like that. And now, hopefully, you should be able to look inside and start using. Now, the biggest problem is you don't want to buy this machine here without one of those remotes, because if you do, the only thing you'll be able to see in the VR are going to be like movies that you can start up, put your phone in and watch, and then you'll have to keep taking things out, keep taking the phone out to restart the movies and stuff like that. You can't actually do anything from inside because there's no buttons on this visor that will allow you to do that. So I strongly recommend you buy a Bluetooth remote for your iPhone or whatever device you want to use, because this works with both iPhones and Androids, and that's how you solve that problem. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out, and enjoy your VR. These things are really cheap. Like you can get them for like $10 off eBay. So enjoy. See you in the next one.